In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can download Trust Wallet on your desktop. If you want to learn how, then watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. So be sure that you get notified every time we make a post. So let's quickly get started. To download Trust Wallet on your desktop, you need to have an application called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an application which allows you to use mobile applications on your desktop. After you downloaded the BlueStacks app, simply open it. After the app has been opened, you can see various apps similar to the mobile. Now open up Play Store. In the search bar, type in Trust Wallet. I already have it installed on my application, but if you're first time using BlueStacks, you can simply download it from here. After you're done downloading, you can see the Trust Wallet app on your BlueStacks application. You can open it and simply use it as you would on your mobile device. So that's how easily you can download Trust Wallet on your desktop. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.